discuss with you some accessories for registration. So to register, you would need some pins and you would need some plastic tabs. Again, so this is registration pins and this is plastic tabs. And let me show you how it works together. Okay, let's say you want to print this image. Two colors, blue and red. And you want to make addition of 3. So you would have to prepare three pieces of paper and you have to register this paper. First type of registrations you already know. This is where you can use masking tape. And the second type of registration, you would use pins and plastic tabs. So how to use registration pins and plastic tabs? The registration pins that I have, it's Ternes-Burton, and you would have to attach your plastic tabs on both sides of each piece of paper that you desire to print. Okay, so use your masking tape and attach and then you would have to attach registration pin and tape registration pin to the base, let's say to your table or whatever. And if you don't have your plastic tabs, you can use 2-hole puncher and make 2 holes, and this is it. This is even better. So you would attach your paper just like this. Okay, so your paper is ready. So let's go and start to print. So let's see what do we have. I created stencil just by placing directly to the screen masking tape, and I have 3 pieces of paper, and I attach my registration pins to the board, and I would have to tape it down. So it shouldn't move, and it's gonna stay in place. Okay, now I'm ready to print. Flood the screen with first stroke and print with second. First print is done. Let's print second one. Second print is done. Let's print third one. And your registration pins gonna stay at the same place. When you're gonna return, you're gonna print second color. Well, so first color already printed, and we have addition of 3. And this paper is attached to the registration pins. Now make sure that the area which you would like to print aligns with already printed area. If not, just move paper together with registration pins. So next step is to print second color. With first stroke, flood the screen. And print with the second. Flood the screen and print. So this is the finished product. We have addition of 3, and that was demo how to register by using plastic tabs and pins.